ICAO and the UNWTO play critical roles in enabling international air tourism to redistribute global income and foster social and economic development. We have also illustrated for states how mobility-based prosperity permits governments to plan toward and invest in meaningful sustainable development goals and the UN SDGs. While this message and dynamics have been very successful over the recent decades, states have also made clear to ICAO that for international civil aviation, they are no longer enough. Together with the industry operators that they regulate, countries are now unified that we must achieve carbon-neutral air transport by the year 2050. Thanks to the new technologies and our shared commitments to innovation, collaboration, and entrepreneurship, the UNWTO and ICAO will continue to help leverage the full potential of global tourism growth to empower young people with high-value jobs and to lead other industry sectors, by example, focus on people, planet, and prosperity. Thank you very much.